Hi guys, today you know that I'm a baker and I like some baking stuff. Today I unbox this special HULISEN professional baking dough tool. What is inside you can see. So it's a dough blender, this one, pastry scraper, and biscuit cutter set. So you see how it works like this. Now we're gonna test it, and this is special dough cutter. Wow, it's amazing quality. It's a different size cutters, and now we're gonna test everything. This you just blend your dough. I didn't need this. So firstly, what I'm gonna use, I use this flour. Need to put. I'm gonna do some. This you see. This is special protection. You should take out. I forgot to do this. So let's you see how it's work. Very good. Nice. So now my table is ready for my dough. And I need to cut it for how many pieces? 21? 21 pieces? 24 pieces. So I can do in different way. I show you just an example. So what I can do is I can use this cutter and just do like this. You see, it's a different size. It's like this from 8 centimeters is count 5 cutters. So you just take it. And you see this from 8 to 4 centimeters. For example, I need to cut for another stuff like dumplings or whatever you can use for even donuts, whatever you need. But my way, because I do in my way all the time stuff, I just simple cut it like this. I cut in half. Let me see. 24 I need, so 12 should be in each side. I cut very smooth it goes, and then I cut in smaller size. As you see, with this cutter I did super fast, and now I just add meat or cabbage or what you wanna in your empanadas, or in Ukraine we call it pyrashki. So here is some beef with cheese. I prefer also small tomatoes. I think I'm gonna add also tomatoes, and then or some cabbage, and then I put inside. Show you, and just do maybe more. So here is a beautiful pyrashki. Wow, looks amazing, and they are very delicious. Look, to this one is meat, and this is with cabbage. Another one we ate already. So this pyrashki is so delicious, and I so like that kit that helps me a lot in my kitchen now. Let me try one with cabbage. This one with meat, very nice. It's Ukrainian style.